Does where you live affect your microbial diversity? The hygiene hypothesis is the theory that if you grow up in an overly clean environment, you will have a lower number of different microbes on your skin that are used to protect your body in unison with your immune system. Growing up in a less clean environment, being able to play out in the mud and run around outside, you will have a more diverse group of microbes to help keep you free from illness and feeling great. It will also help prevent forming allergies and asthma. As stated in a review, higher infections during childhood caused there to be a decrease in allergic diseases. To test the hygiene hypothesis, we collected samples from belly buttons and forearms.
Our hypothesis is that students that grew up in a suburban area will have the least diversity compared to urban, forest, and rural environments. For methods, we collected samples from belly buttons and forearms with wet swabs. We then put these swabs into 32 wells and ecoplates and ran these ecoplates through a spectrophotometer. This machine used light to determine how many different microbes were present. With this info, we were able to use this to test our hypothesis. The students that were tested answered a few short surveys as well that included questions about pets, swimming, and of course what environment we grew up in, which is what we were testing. The results showed that initially it looks like forest environments has the least diversity, but the overall results show that overall the environment you grew up in has no effect. In an article published by the Mayo Clinic, they stated that children that grow up in rural areas and in big families develop asthma less often. The reason our results don't show this could be due to the fact that far more students come from suburban and urban areas rather than rural and forest environments.
The importance of this study is to show that while maintaining your general hygiene, being overly clean can be more harmful than helpful. It is also important because it is a potential cure for asthma and allergies, as well as a possible way to decrease the prevalence because they affect so much of the population.
Alright, thanks for watching.